Welcome to Dalbora. In this session, we will go through the payment process for our new generation fuel terminals. Before you start, be sure to download the Dalbora app, available on Android and iOS. As a Dalbora member, you will require the app to receive your member's marked down price. Before lifting the nozzle at the bowser, go to the payment terminal and touch the screen to begin. Next, you can either select one of the predetermined values on the touch screen, or use the touchscreen keypad to enter a value of choice. Then press the green Enter button on the touchscreen to continue. To make your payment, use PayWave with your bank card or smart device. Or insert or swipe your card as shown on the screen and follow the prompts. Next, enter the pump number, followed by the green Enter button on the touchscreen. Confirm your fuel choice is correct and press either Yes or No on the touchscreen to continue. As a Dalbora member, you receive marked down fuel at all Dalbora fuel locations. Open and log in to the Dalbora app and tap the Scan QR button at the top of the screen to reveal your QR code. Hold your QR screen facing towards the scanner, which is located on the front of the payment terminal, as shown on screen. You can now refuel your vessel. The fuel will cut off automatically once your selected dollar value is reached. Begin refueling your vessel once the nozzle is securely in the filler inlet. Please proceed with care at all times and ensure all safety and environmental guidelines are followed while refueling. Finally, replace the nozzle at the pump. To collect your printed receipt, tap the Reprint Receipt button on the touch screen. Then tap, insert or swipe your card and follow the final prompts. Thank you for purchasing through Dalbora Fuel.